I like that.
I do too.
I like your intro.
Thank you.
It's very nice.
Yeah.
This is our own cooking confidence coach, Nanny Bubby, back with us in studio. And Chapman Automotive is sponsoring this segment. Today we're going to learn about the joys and beauty of dragon fruit.
Dragon fruit. Oh my gosh, there's so many different varieties, and they are called fun names, like one's called David Bowie, or Bowie, Bowie. Bowie.
Bowie, yeah.
David, yeah. What happened to me? I don't know. Anyway, Purple Haze. There's just lots of funs and all kinds of different varieties. But let's talk about three.
Okay.
This is the absolute red variety. This is white, and this is yellow. So let's cut in it. You want to taste it?
Yeah, absolutely. And you can find them at any grocery store?
Pretty much, yeah. So they didn't make it into the United States until 2008. And then when they did, there was a agricultural agreement with Vietnam. And so, look at this.
Are they any of them grown in the United States?
Well, now they are. There are big farmers in the Temecula area of dragon fruits.
Okay.
In fact, I've been to a farm and actually talked to the farmer and interviewed him, and it's wonderful. So look at how easy that peels.
Yeah.
Isn't that fantastic? Look at that. So easy. You want to taste it? I'll cut you a piece.
Yes.
Okay. There you go. Try that.
Thank
Kind
you.
of like when a kiwi marries a watermelon, kind of, or has a baby with one.
How do you know you're choosing a good one?
You don't. And sometimes, how does that taste?
It's
Is
good.
it sweet? Yeah, okay. All right, let me just wipe this because we're getting into the white right here. Okay, so this is the
Get the
yellow.
paper towel, keep going.
Okay, yellow variety. And this is actually the very sweetest of all. So just take your spoon into that.
Okay.
Take a little taste of that. While you do that, I'm going to cut into this white variety, which actually really doesn't have much flavor at all. So how's that? Wonderful?
This I like a lot.
Yeah, this is very, very sweet, and the white variety, not so much. So that's just a little walk through all the varieties of dragon fruit, and the origin of it was Vietnam to America, but very much found in South America, Central America, and Mexico.
That one actually has a little bitterness to it, too.
It does, and some people say it is flavorless, but nonetheless, it is beautiful, and we're going to put this into a dragon fruit salad, starting with
I can imagine
arugula.
that being really good, yeah.
Yeah, because it takes on the flavor of the dressing. So we're going to sprinkle that in. We're going to take the one that you like the best, put it right into the salad.
Actually,
we're gonna,
this is the one I like the best right here.
Yeah. Oh, that's right.
Yeah.
That's true. That goes into the salsa. You know, like that. And now a little bit of feta. Okay, that's it for the salad. We're going to take the dressing.
What kind of dressing are you using?
So this is a blood orange juice with a blood orange olive oil, a little bit of lime juice. What does that say, my friend? You can hold that.
Spread love like
There we go.
butter.
A gift from my daughter. I love that. Uh-oh, I can't. Hey, can you open that for me?
Yes, ma'am. I hope
Not,
so.
we'll move on to the salsa.
Yeah, exactly.
There
It'd
we
be terrible
go. Thank you very much.
On television, I wasn't able to.
So there we go. Isn't that beautiful?
Yeah.
We'll toss it really quick. Do we have time for you to
That
taste
is
it?
very, yes, absolutely.
Yeah,
It's very colorful.
Isn't
I love
that beautiful?
Yeah.
Just imagine that on your buffet at home or, you know, out for the barbecue. It's beautiful. So I'll put just a little bit right in here for you.
Absolutely.
With the dressing. Okay. And you can be eating a little of that while we talk about the salsa. And by the way, you put a little bit of basil in there. And I'm adding that last because we're going to take it over here to the salsa. So can you eat cilantro, Kendall?
Yes.
Can you? Yes. I am one of those who cannot eat cilantro. Yeah. I have, you know, there's people that have a genetic deficiency for cilantro. I'm one of them. So and if you are, you can separate and use, instead of cilantro, parsley and or basil, which is what we're going to do. So here we have
This is a great summer salad.
I love that. Isn't it good? Thank you. So this is the passion fruit right here, the dark red kind. We're going to add to it some onions. There we go.
Let me ask, what would your response to cilantro be?
I just hate the taste of it.
Oh, okay.
It's just so
it's not,
awful.
it just doesn't agree with you.
It's just really bad. Also, here's that yellow dragon fruit that you love. And instead of cilantro, I'm putting in basil and parsley, and everything should be salt, fat, acid. So here's the acid, a little bit of lime juice. Okay, we're going to throw that on. Here comes some French sea salt, right?
And would French sea salt make a difference as compared to table salt? Just regular?
Oh yeah, iodized table salt, you don't really ever cook with that. It's either kosher salt and finish with French sea salt.
Okay.
How's that? And the fat, so you want to say if this is salt, fat, and acid,
fantastic.
Where is the fat?
All right, we're running out of time, so I do want to taste this.
Okay.
Where's
this
the fat?
Is right there. There's the fat.
Okay.
Okay. Do we have time to make the margarita?
I don't think. I just told in my ear we do not, unfortunately.
Okay.
But off camera we can make a margarita.
Okay. Well, we will. Isn't that beautiful? I absolutely love it. Look at that. Is that great?
Fantastic.
Because it has the acid and the French sea salt.
Oh man, that's really good.
Which you don't think about putting sea salt into salsa.
No, but it's
works,
delicious.
Right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Check out Nanny Bubby's Kitchen and Garden on social media and online at nannybubby.com. Also want to thank Chapman Automotive for sponsoring the segment, and we will have more Las Vegas Now right after this.